Hello and welcome to another episode of Maths with Mrs. Banks, where we make maths fun and easy to learn. And in this video, we're not going to be going through a lesson. However, we will be advertising a mathematics spring school that will be held completely online for mathematics grade 11 and 12, starting on Monday, the 2nd of October 2023 to the 8th of October 2023, which is a Saturday. The cover charge will be 500 Rand. However, for clients, it will be free of charge. If you want more information, including information on the application that we'll be using for the classes, send a WhatsApp message to this number, or alternatively send an email address to this number, and all the information you need will be given to you. Looking forward to seeing you there. The timetable will be adjusted according to load shedding schedules. See you there. Thank you and bye.